Welcome to the channel, guys, where we explore the fascinating world of health and nutrition. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions worldwide: liver health. Did you know that certain foods have the incredible ability to not only support, but also reverse liver damage? That's right. In this video, we'll unveil 8 powerhouse foods that can work wonders for your liver, helping to restore its vitality and function. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health or specifically targeting liver issues, you won't want to miss out on this insightful exploration. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the transformative potential of these incredible foods. Starting with number 1. Oily fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, stand out as nutritional powerhouses due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids play a crucial role in promoting overall health, particularly by reducing inflammation and supporting liver function. The omega-3s found in these fish are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in preventing and alleviating various health conditions associated with chronic inflammation. Additionally, these fatty acids contribute to the maintenance of a healthy liver, a vital organ responsible for detoxification and metabolic processes within the body. Before we continue to the next food on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Let's move on to number 2. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are renowned for their exceptional nutritional profile, offering a plethora of health benefits, particularly for liver health. These vegetables are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as phytonutrients like flavonoids and carotenoids, which play a pivotal role in combating oxidative stress and protecting liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moreover, their high fiber content supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and aiding in the elimination of toxins and waste products from the body, thus easing the burden on the liver. Number 3 on our list is nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are celebrated for their nutritional prowess and their potential to bolster liver health. These wholesome snacks are packed with a variety of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being, with a particular emphasis on supporting liver function. Rich in healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, nuts and seeds provide a nourishing source of energy while promoting cardiovascular health and reducing inflammation, which indirectly benefits liver function. Furthermore, their antioxidant content, including vitamin E and polyphenols, helps combat oxidative stress and protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the fiber content in nuts and seeds aids in digestion and promotes the elimination of toxins, thus lightening the workload of the liver. Bringing us to number 4. Avocado, revered for its creamy texture and versatile culinary applications, emerges as a nutritional powerhouse with notable benefits for liver health and detoxification. This fruit stands out for its high content of healthy fats, predominantly monounsaturated fats, which not only contribute to cardiovascular health but also play a crucial role in supporting liver function. Additionally, avocados are rich in compounds like glutathione, a potent antioxidant that is essential for liver health and detoxification processes. Glutathione aids in neutralizing harmful toxins and free radicals, thereby safeguarding liver cells from oxidative damage and promoting efficient detoxification pathways. Number 5, we have turmeric. A vibrant spice commonly used in culinary and traditional medicine, boasts a potent bioactive compound known as curcumin, which has garnered attention for its remarkable health-promoting properties. Particularly noteworthy are curcumin's demonstrated anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities, which hold promising implications for liver health. By virtue of its anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin can help alleviate inflammation within the liver, thereby mitigating the progression of liver diseases associated with chronic inflammation. Furthermore, its potent antioxidant activity enables curcumin to scavenge harmful free radicals and mitigate oxidative stress, thereby safeguarding liver cells from damage and supporting overall liver function. Incorporating turmeric, either as a spice in cooking or as a dietary supplement, presents a natural and accessible means to harness the potential benefits of curcumin for liver health. Let's move on to number 6. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, emerge as nutritional powerhouses renowned for their vibrant colors and exceptional health benefits, particularly for liver health. These flavorful fruits are brimming with antioxidants such as flavonoids, anthocyanins, and vitamin C, which play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress within the liver. By neutralizing harmful free radicals and mitigating inflammatory processes, the antioxidants found in berries contribute to the preservation of liver cell integrity and function. Additionally, the high fiber content in berries supports digestive health and promotes regular bowel movements, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body and alleviating the burden on the liver. Number 7 on our list is garlic. Esteemed for its pungent flavor and culinary versatility, harbors a wealth of health-promoting properties, including benefits for liver health. Rich in sulfur-containing compounds such as allicin, garlic exerts a multifaceted influence on liver function. These sulfur compounds are known to activate enzymes involved in the detoxification process, enhancing the liver's ability to metabolize and eliminate toxins from the body efficiently. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to the reduction of inflammation within the liver, thereby mitigating the risk of liver-related ailments associated with chronic inflammation. By incorporating garlic into one's diet, either raw, cooked, or as a supplement, individuals can harness its potential to support liver health and overall well-being. Bringing us to number 8. Green tea, celebrated for its delicate flavor and myriad health benefits, emerges as a potent ally for liver health due to its rich antioxidant content, particularly catechins. These antioxidants, abundant in green tea, including epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, have been extensively studied for their protective effects on the liver. Catechins are known for their ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors implicated in liver damage and dysfunction. By scavenging harmful free radicals and reducing inflammatory processes within the liver, catechins in green tea help preserve liver cell integrity and function. Thank you for watching our video on discovering 8 foods that can reverse liver damage. We hope you found the information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care and prioritize your health by making mindful food choices. See you next time. Take care.